So hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a herbal extract using the cold process method. So if you want to learn how to make this, keep watching until the end. Making this herbal extract is so easy as you're going to see. It only takes a few steps and few ingredients and your herbal extracts are ready. So the first thing you will need to make this herbal extract is obviously some herbs. I've used some dried hibiscus flowers, chamomile flowers, and also some dried green tea leaves. But remember, you can use whatever herbs you prefer because the beauty of making your own skincare and your own product is choosing whatever you like and prefer. Now that we have prepared our herbs and flowers, take 3 clean glass jars and transfer your hibiscus, chamomile, and green tea into each of the jars. Then pour glycerin until the herbs are covered. Glycerin is our solvent here. It will help attract the essence and the beneficial properties of the herbs without the need of alcohol or water. So for those of you with sensitive skin, this recipe is an excellent choice because it's alcohol free and it won't irritate your skin. So hey again, I just want to say that I've already shared with you a video where I show you how to make a herbal extract at home using the heat method. So if you're interested in learning that, you can go and watch my video on this subject. You will find a link in the description down below on the top right corner on the screen. Now that your jars are ready, give them a good mix, then cover them and place them in a cool, dark place to let them infuse for at least 1 month. And remember to check the jar lightly every few days. This period of infusion is where the magic happens, as the glycerin slowly draws out the rich, beneficial properties from the herbs, turning them into powerful extracts. I really love making my own herbal extracts, and I think it's so relaxing and so fun to make. And that's something I really hope you like too, because it's so easy and wonderful. And this is how they look after a month. As you can see from the color of the liquid in the jars, you can tell that the glycerin has extracted all the benefits of the herbs. So now it's time to strain our extract. User is using either a strainer or a cheesecloth. These herbal extracts are just great and easy to use. You can use them in your homemade cosmetics or even in your skin routine as a substitute of glycerin or as an active in a low percentage. They're a great way to add natural benefits to your products. So we're almost at the end of the video. I want to thank you for watching, and please let me know in the comment section below how it turned out with you. I really love to hear about your experience. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me, and so thank you so much for being here. I'm so grateful and so grateful for each and every one of you. Your herbal extract are almost ready. Once you've strained your extract, transfer them into clean containers and store them away from the sun. This will help to keep their benefits and freshness intact. And you can use them in your homemade cosmetic or skincare with no problem. So again, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section below whatever your feedback you have, because this is what's going to help me to improve and to continue making great content that you like. And if you have any idea or a product that you want me to make for you, just write that in the comment section below, and I will be more than glad to make that for you. So until next time, bye.